Hi everyone and welcome to We Love Art. My name is Denise and today we're gonna recreate Frida Kahlo. So for the skin tones it is really important that you mix enough of the same base color. So for the base color we're gonna mix a couple of colors together. You can decide if you want to have her darker or lighter. So for darker you add in more brown, for lighter you add in more white. So we first start off with creating a base color. And again, make sure you have a lot of it because it will work as an eraser later on if you don't like any of the features. So having the same base color with a big pile, that will help you a lot during today's tutorial. So we're gonna mix a lot of the base color. And as you can see, I took some extra white and put it on a clean part of my palette. And from here we're gonna make a nice base color. So we start with the white. And then we're mixing in some brown until you're happy with the darkness of the skin. So add more brown if you want to have her darker, or more white if you want to have her lighter. Now the next step is to give her some warmth, and we do this by adding some red. Only a little bit. The main component for the skin color is white and brown. Next we're gonna add some yellow. And finally we add a little bit of blue, but again, just a hint. And this color, what I usually do is I'm just gonna test if I like it. So we have the base color of the skin tone ready, and with a big brush you're now going to apply this on her face, neck and ears. One way to apply it is you need to kind of think of how you apply your own moisturizer. So on your forehead you have this direction, then for the cheekbones you follow this direction, on the nose you go straight and on the chin you go circular. So if you keep those directions in mind, it will look beautiful on your canvas. With regards to the sketched outlines, I would suggest again to softly go over the sketched outlines. And with softly I mean don't apply too much paint there. So that means that you can still see the sketch through your paint, and that will help you of course later on with applying all the features. So we can move on towards her mouth. Her mouth is a combination between red, base and a little bit of black. Also the center of her mouth has some highlights. So you add that in while you add the base of her mouth mixture. So we take a little bit of the base, we bring it near to the red and you mix the two together. To make it less vivid, you can add in a hint of black, just to tone down the color. We apply this on the canvas. On the sides of the mouth you can add in more black and red together, because that's the shadow part. Frida Kahlo is always known for all the beautiful flowers in her hair, and we're gonna add the exact same thing right now on the canvas. We're gonna start with the red parts of the flowers. The same red will be later applied for her necklace as well. The same red will be later applied for her necklace as well. And as a finishing touch, we add the earrings. The earrings are made of white, red and brown. So load your big brush with a lot of red and simply apply it in thick strokes on the canvas, almost in the same way as how you did the background. Some texture is always nice for this flower crown. Well done on your beautiful masterpiece, your very own take on the iconic Frida Kahlo. I hope you enjoyed painting this masterpiece as much as I did and that it deserves a beautiful spot for on your wall for everyone to forever admire. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe below. Thank you very much for watching and I look forward to see you soon again. Bye!